Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use night sight on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to shoot the same scene with and without the night sight. So as you guys can see, here we have the night sight. Now I want to disable it. And now let's turn it off. Here, you will basically only see the phone. I'm gonna lower the brightness here, and as you guys can see, now you can see it. You cannot see it really well, so let me just try and decrease it. It looks even worse. So let me just take one picture of this flower right here without the night sight. So let me just do that. And now let me just make sure that it is really without the night sight. It is. And now what we can do, we can switch to night sight right at the bottom. We can set it up to max settings. And now we can hold our phone like this and take a picture. So let me just increase the light so you guys can see everything. Here we have two pictures. This is with the night sight and this is without it. It's pretty hard to see the difference, so let me just take a picture of something else. I'll pause the video and I'll get back to you guys in a second. So I got two of the same pictures. This is the first one. Basically you cannot see anything on it, and even if I try to zoom in, there's nothing, and it's a picture of the background. Now this is the first one. It was a 1 second night sight, and this is it on the max settings. And I know in the camera it looks the same, but I promise you it isn't. This one is probably better from what I see, and you guys can have fun and check out the night sight for yourself. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.